Hello everyone. So pre is over. Now it's time to prepare for your mains. So if you are into the preparation and you are going to write UPSC again for the next year, if your attempts are not over or you do not have some other professional commitments, anyhow you need to prepare for mains. Okay. So UPSC is about mains preparation. So do not lower your guards. You have to prepare anyhow. Okay. So pre-result is expected around, let's say, 10th or 12th of June. After that, I'm coming up with a crash course program for PSIR Optional. Okay. This program is both in the offline and the online mode. For online, if you want to join online, you can join from the platform of Anantam IAS. There I'm going to teach online. Course will going to be same, classes will be same. Offline, if you want to come to the institute and you want to be here, then you can come at the premises of Anantam IAS. Okay. Otherwise, I'm going to take the classes and rest everything will be same. Content will be from my side. Only for the online mode, you have to enroll from the platform of Anantam IAS. And offline, you have to enroll by coming to the Anantam IAS. Okay. So this crash course program will cover. So I'll hope that you are done with the foundation from wherever you have done. If you have done it on your own, still you need to prepare from mains perspective, and that requires a totally different kind of mindset and the perspective. Now, in this course, I'm going to emphasize a lot on conceptual clarity. I'm not going to discuss the topic in detail. Here, the emphasis and the focus will be on conceptual clarity, hoping that you have revised and you have consolidated your subject and you have revised it multiple times. So here I'm going to focus on conceptual clarities. You know this, that all concepts in this subject are contested and debated. So I'm going to inculcate various dimensions while discussing the syllabus. Okay. So as I said, one thing, emphasis on interlinkages. Second thing, I'm going to give you a lot of questions in the class. I'm going to give you a lot of PYQs, ask you to make a framework and the structure, and then I'll give you the structure and the pointers. With this, you will have the whole syllabus in your mind. Okay, so that by the time you will go for your mains, you have a lot of pointers in your mind to frame good answers. Okay. You can ask your doubts. If you have doubts on few topics, let's say I've seen many do not have the clarity of the things, clarity of the topics. So like philosophy of existentialism. So you can ask your doubts also in the class, both in the offline and the online mode, right? So we are going to discuss PYQs. I'm going to focus on answer writing. We'll give you structures and the pointers. Other than this, so we'll have 3 classes every day. Classes will be of 2.5 hours or 3 hours. So 3 classes every week. The timings will be 2.5 hours for every class. Other than these classes, you will get 8 test series also. And the schedule of the test series will be this. And the test series are aligned with the classes. You will get the PDF in the link description of the video. You can download the PDF for the schedule of the test series. You can only enroll yourself for the test series if you want to. You don't want classes. Otherwise, I'll always recommend take the complete classes plus the test series program. So these will be 8 tests. You will get a lot of value addition. You will get a lot of pointers, quality content in the form of model answers. Okay. Do write your test, timely write your test. Objective feedbacks will be given to you, and then will give you the model answers, quality model answers you will get, which will help you a lot to add value to your answers. Okay. So when the test series we always start a test series in November. So when the test series started, we had a 16 test series. 8 tests are already being commenced, and rest of the 8 tests you will going to write. These will be evaluated. So if you have not enrolled with us for the test series program and you are coming only for the crash course, will give you the PDFs of the model answers of these 8 tests also. These 8 tests will not be evaluated, but you will get the model answers. Again, the model answers are of high quality, which will help you to inculcate a lot of quality. You do not have to refer any other source other than these model answers to frame good answers for your paper 2 if you have the proper understanding of the static aspect. So you don't have to worry about the dynamic aspect. The value addition content you will get in the form of the model answers with the test series program. So those who will going to qualify the pre, for sure you need such kind of program specifically designed to help you to score well. Even if you have written mains and you think that you miss on these aspects, that how to inculcate quality to your answers, then you can be a part of this particular program. And those who somehow will not be able to qualify pre still wants to keep themselves motivated, keep themselves channelized, keep their energy channelized for their preparation, they can also be the part of this particular program. Classes I'm going to commence from 20th of June. The timing will be in the evening, and it will be 2.5 hours of class, and from 20th June the batch will start. Wishing you all best of luck, best wishes.